Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 970 and today I'm going to show you how to change the daily activity goals on this watch. So let's get started. Before we start, if you want to change the daily activity goals, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on More, Activities, and here you should see Steps, Floors, and Intensity Minutes. And we can change the goals for these three. To change the goals, tap on one of them, then tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, and then tap on Edit Goal. And here we can change the goal for steps. Let's say I want 10,000 steps. Then tap Save, and the goal will be updated. You can also change to Auto Goal, and the device will automatically set the goal for you. Each day, basically, it will adjust it for you. And once you set the goal, you can go back, do the same for the floors, edit goal. We have a button right here. You can edit how many floors you should climb. Okay, and then we have the intensity minutes, and you can tap on here, tap on edit goal, and change it to something you want. Oh, apparently 150 is the lowest. Okay, and once you're done editing the goals, go to the home page. Tap on this icon right here to sync the devices together and apply the settings. And after it's done syncing, you can go to your watch and check if the settings applied. So if we wake up the screen on our watch, go to the glances, I have a step glance here. As you can see, the goal updated. So if I also add the floor goal and the, what was it? Intensity minutes, right? Yeah. Is there a floor glance? Yeah, floors climbed. And the intensity minutes, add them, both of them. And if I go back to the menu, here we have our goal updated as well. And this one doesn't show the goal, but here we have it. And then it's a weekly goal, not daily, my bad. Okay, and that's how you change the activity goals on this watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.